I am in Nebraska, Omaha, Nebraska, y'all. It is snowing. It is snowing. It is so cold here. My other flight attendant, she said she went out and it wasn't that cold, but yesterday it was. It was like 19 degrees. So today, maybe it's a little bit warmer than 19 degrees. But today, in this beautiful winter wonderland, I'm going thrifting. I have gone thrifting here before, but I look a mess, so I'm gonna go wash my face and get ready to go. It's about 11-ish here, a little bit past 11, closer to noon. So I'm gonna get up and go thrifting, and then I'll see you guys when we get outside. Peace.
All right, goodbye.
Bye.
Go to work.
Where the cash at? Where the cash at? Where the cash at?
Get it.
You want it back.
You been holding it too long, Joe.
He definitely want it back.
Pretty young thing. They money stop.
Where the cash at? Where the cash
Like,
at?
how she gonna, like, that girl, that be your secret that you take to the
Who said that? Where the cash at? Where the cash at? Where the cash at? Where the cash at?
Please find my cash. Please, somebody find my ass the fucking cash. I didn't say nothing. That's it.
Who was Charmaine?
Charmaine off of Western Hollywood.
Oh, you? She needed them by Saturday. I said, oh, girl, I can't make them by Saturday. That's going to be tight. And she was like, oh, well, can you make them by Jess Party? I said, yes.
Cool. Who wants you make jeans?
Deborah.
What kind of jeans she want made?
She wants some jeans with patches on it.
You got jeans with patches on it?
No, I just get the patches. She said she got some jeans already. She just want to put.
That's what I need to do too. I need to
Where a cash at? What a cash at? What a cash at? What a cash at?
I bought me some dry shampoo. It wasn't bad.
How it work? I never used it before.
You did it before?
I never used it before.
I started to buy you on my own. Like, it was